Morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, today we will do the map skill of chapter 2, that is your distribution of soil types in India. So we will see there are 6 major soil types in India: forest soil, alluvial soil, red and yellow soil, black soil, laterite soil, arid soil. These are very important in different manners. All right, and we will see their importance also. These are quite important and you have to find out their location also. And whenever in exam it will ask, then you have to locate in this manner along with the name of the particular state. So first of all, we will see the forest soil, that mostly found this forest soil in mountain regions or the forest regions. So we will see here on the top Jammu and Kashmir, little bit Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Here we have the forest soil or mountain soil type. Next we have alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is very fertile soil, specially built for the or specially meant for the agriculture. So this is a very important soil. We will see over here, you can see on the northern plains, little bit part of your northeastern states. Here you can see, and the ghats also, you can see the eastern ghats, just because this type of soil is formed with the deposition work of the rivers. Red and yellow soil, these are also see the maximum part of India we will have the red soil type, which is having an iron particles or iron ores in this. That's why these regions are also having a iron ore concentration. That's why the red soil is mostly found in these areas. Now black soil we'll see over here, this region is there, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, little bit part of Gujarat, also known as Regus soil and very good for the cultivation of cotton. Laterite soil, it is melt with the leaching process and mostly found in the heavy rainfall regions. You can see over here in the Western Ghats, little bit area of Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Odisha and Meghalaya and all that. Now arid soil, it is a desert soil and mostly found in Rajasthan region, and other states are not having such kind of soil. And if you are not able to comfortable while preparing in this manner, you can do in this manner also. When the distribution of soil types are there, you can use different symbols for separating the states as well as the different soil types. For today this much only, and rest we will see the other maps also. Thank you.